press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello students, so let us see today two more problems, that is 6th one and 7th one. In a circular table cover of radius 32 centimeter, a design is formed leaving an equilateral triangle ABC in the middle as shown in the figure. Find the area of the design. Okay, now 6th one, I have drawn the diagram for you. Here, see the what are the given data here? A circle, it's a circle, and also there is an equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle means definitely you know it is 60 degree. Angle BAC is a 60 degree. Okay. Now just now what you have to do is to find out the area of the design, that is what I have shaded here. It is nothing but area of the circle minus area of this triangle. Simple it is. Area of the circle minus area of the triangle. I hope you understood. But according to the data given here, the circle, the radius of the circle is equal to 32 centimeter. Okay. Radius of the circle is 32 centimeter. That is here. I will draw here. This is 32 centimeter. Radius of the circle is 32 centimeter. But the problem is, so it is easy to find out the area of the circle. But how will you find out the area of the triangle? Yes, of course, it is an equilateral triangle, no doubt. Because they have given triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. So, no doubt. You all know the formula also. That is root 3 by 4 into a square. You know how to find out. So, this is the formula. But the problem is they have not given the side here. What is the side of the equilateral triangle? They have not given. So, you need to find out the side of the equilateral triangle. I hope it is clear now. Okay, now we shall find out. So, how to find out the side? Once you find out the side, then it is very easy to do the problem. See here. So, let me write area of shaded region, or you can say area of the design, because they have given in the question area of the find out the area of the design. So, area of the design, we shall write area of the design. Area of the design is equal to area of circle minus area of equilateral triangle ABC. Is it correct? Simple it is. But only thing is area of the circle we can find out by using the radius. We have radius 32 centimeter, no doubt. But only thing is we have to find out the area of the equilateral triangle. There we are not getting the, we don't have the side, they are not given the side. Either they have not given BC or AB or AC, they have not given that. So, we need to find out. Okay. So, in the previous sums I had used trigonometric ratios, I hope you can recall it. So, by using that we can find out the side BC. Can you recall it? See, by joining, see if it is O, by joining OB and OC, we can find out the side BC. How? again I have to draw a perpendicular line here, all that is okay. But before that I need to know what is angle BOC, correct? What is angle BOC? They have not given BOC, but by using the, already you have learned that concept in the circle chapter, 9th standard, 10th and 10th standard also you finished. Circle chapter, you will be knowing that. See this is 60 degree and BC is a chord. This chord actually it is subtending. See here, this is 60 degree and that chord, if it subtend the same, by the same chord, if it subtended at the center, then it will be double. I hope you can recall this concept. That will be 120. So this angle will be 120. Try to recall the concept which I have studied in the earlier classes. See, the angle subtended by the chord, same chord, at any side, at any part of the arc will be half of the angle subtended at the center, or you can say like this also, 2 times. So if this is 60 degree, here the angle will be 120 degree, okay. So for that the statement you can write it as angle subtended by an arc BC at the center is twice the angle subtended at the circumference by the same chord BC. See, chord is same. So BC is a chord, you all know. Once again I will try to explain, try to recall which you have studied, this concept you have studied in the lower class, 9th standard you have studied. See, BC is a chord and it is subtending 2 angles here. See, one is BOC at the center, it is subtending equal at the center, angle at the center, and angle BAC at the circumference, isn't it? So you all know this concept, that is the angle subtended by the chord BC at the circumference or at the center is double that of the angle subtended at the circumference. So you need to write that. So once you get the angle here, then I think you can recall in the previous class we have done this concept by drawing the perpendicular here. By drawing the perpendicular, so what will happen? We have to see if it is D here. So we have to prove that BDO and ODC are congruent, and so this will be divided into 2 equal angles, that is 60 degree and 60 degree. Then by using the trigonometric ratio you can find out BD and of course OD also, but OD we do not need. So BD we want, so BD you will find out, then 2 times BD will be equal to BC, correct? 2 times, you see if you find out BD, then you can find out BC, that is 2 times BD will be equal to BC. So you will get the side, since it is an equilateral triangle, so you can use the formula root 3 by 4 into a square. So this is the whole concept of this problem. I hope you can try. So let us try out step by step. So definitely you will understand, I believe, okay. So now first, so again the triangle I will draw for you once again later on. So when I do that, so first let us find out area of the circle, okay. Now OB and OC are joined, you can write, and angle BAC is equal to 60 degree, angle BAC is equal to 60 degree, then join OB and OC, OB and OC, okay. Then now angle BOC is equal to 120 degree. You have to write the reason. So, why it is 120? Please write the reason, that is angle subtended by an chord BC, angle subtended by an arc BC at the center is twice that of an angle subtended by the same arc BC. Okay, the reason you should write angle subtended by the chord. Which is the chord here? BC is the chord. At the center is twice that of the angle subtended by the same arc BC at the circumference. Okay. So now therefore this will be 120 degree. Now next, see here 120 degree. So draw perpendicular OD perpendicular to BC. When you draw OD perpendicular to BC, you all know this will be 90 degree, correct? So when it is 90 degree, so in triangle OBD and OCD, so let us write angle ODB is equal to angle ODC. Why? Because it is 90 degree right angle triangle, and OB is equal to OC. Why? Because same radii of the same circle. Okay, radii of the same circle. See, I have taught this in the previous problems. We have used this concept. Try to recall and do it on your own. Okay, these two are equal. OB is equal to OC by RHS criteria, by using RHS criteria, and sorry, one more, OD is equal to OD because it is common. So therefore, by RHS criteria, triangle OBD is congruent to triangle OCD. Okay. Now I will write here this part you have learnt already, so I am going little faster here. OBD is congruent to OCD. Now these two triangles are congruent, therefore what we can say, angle BOD is equal to angle COD, and BD is equal to BD, here BD is equal to CD, okay, by CPCT. Okay. Now these two triangles are congruent. We have proved that these two triangles are congruent. Why we have proved? Because I want this as 60 degree and 60 degree, then only I can put the trigonometric ratios. Therefore angle BOD is equal to angle COD will be equal to 60 degree. Okay. Now this part is completed now for us. Okay. One is this method. Again here also you can do one more method. See, I will just show you. See, you have drawn, okay, now this is 120, you all know. Okay, you can do like this also. Please note, you can do like this also. So 120 you all know by using the same concept, that is angle subtended at the center will be twice that of the angle subtended at the circumference, okay, by the same arc, by the same chord, okay. So this will be 120, and you all know these two sides are equal, correct. So when these two sides are equal, definitely these two angles will be equal. Do you agree? Okay, then the sum of the angle is 180. So 60 degree. So I can take this as 30, 30. Correct? Now if you draw by using this 30 degree also, I can find out this part. That is also fine. You can do like that also. See, this is 30 degree. We know the trigonometric ratios of 30 degree. By using that also we can find this side, okay, that also can be done. But I have started this, so I will continue with this only. So this will be 60 degree. Now this part is, this angle is 60 degree and 60 degree. Now what you have to do now? Now you all know I want only BD here, I do not want OD. So BD means your opposite side, correct. So here I can take, okay, sine 60. Shall I take sine 60 is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, you all know that. Opposite side, which is the opposite side now? BD, and hypotenuse is OB, correct. So BD by OB, so sine 60 is equal to BD. BD is, we do not know, but OB we know. OB is how much? 32. OB is nothing but radius, please observe, OB is nothing but radius of a circle, and sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Therefore BD will be equal to, see, 32 root 3 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 16s are. So this will be 16 root 3 centimeter. What is BD? BD is how much? 16 root 3. 16 root 3. So next, I will write here. See, BD, I hope you understood. Now we know that, see, already we proved, that is BD is equal to DC, we have proved already. So BD is equal to BC is equal to 2 times BD, correct. BC is equal to, observe the diagram carefully, BC is equal to 2 times BD. So 2 times BD is 2 into BD. BD is how much? 16 root 3. That is nothing but 32 root 3 centimeter. Now BD we got, BC we got 32 root 3 centimeter. 32 root 3 centimeter BC. BC is nothing but the side of a triangle, okay, side of equilateral triangle. Side of equilateral triangle ABC. A side of equilateral triangle is 32 root 3 centimeter. Now you know, it is easy to find out the area of the equilateral triangle. I hope you understood this much. So the 50% of the problem is completed. Another 50%, just we have to put the value here. Area of the circle we have to find out, area of the equilateral we have to find out, subtract. I hope you understood. It's quite lengthy, but if you understand, it's very easy, okay. So shall I rub this? So what we have, side, equilateral side how much? I will write it here, 32 root 3. So that I will clear the board. So 32 centimeter side, 32 root 3 centimeter. Now let us find out area of the circle. Area of the circle, pi r square, you all know, pi r square. So that is equal to pi r square. R square is 32, you all know, 32 into 32. So let it be like that. Next, area of equilateral triangle ABC. Area of equilateral triangle ABC is nothing but root 3 by 4 into A we got A square, correct? So I will write the formula here. No, root 3 by 4 A square, that is equal to root 3 by 4 into A square is 32 root 3 into 32 root 3. So now it's only you have to simplify it and get the answer. So now try to simplify it. Root 3 into root 3, you all know, root 3 into root 3 into 3 we can do it, okay. Now let us try to solve it. Okay, 4 ones are 4, 4 eights are 32. Then 8 into this 32 into 3. See, I will do it here. Since I don't have place here, I am doing it here. Please you work out in the working column. We put the working column and work out all this multiplication. Okay. Root 3 into root 3, you all know 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 into 32 into 8. 32 into 8. Okay. How much? First I will do 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 8, 6 8s are 48, 4, 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72, 72 plus 4, 76, 7 6 8 root 3. Root 3 is there, here this root 3. So this will be 7 6 8 root 3. So when you simplify this, then you try to simplify this also. 32 into 32. 32 square is how much? You all know. 32 square is 1024. Okay, you all know that. Now, area of the design. Area of design is equal to 32 into 32. 32 into 32 is 1024. So 32 into 32 is 1024. I will write here 24 into 22. See, 32 into 32 is 1024 into 22. So 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 0s are 0, 2 1s are 2. Same 4 0 2. So 8, 12, 5, 2, 2. 2 2 5 8 22,528 by 7. So this will be 22,528 by 7. Okay, this much minus this we got 768 root 3. You can keep as it is because they have not asked us to put the value of 3. So root 3, sorry. So this is centimeter square. So what is the answer? 22,528 divided by 7 minus 768 root 3 and centimeter square. Don't forget to write this. After calculating everything, sometimes we will forget to write the unit. Please don't do that. So it's very important. They will cut the marks otherwise. So centimeter square. So this is the area of the design. Okay, it's little bit lengthy, but I think you tried to recall so many concepts in this problem. So many concepts. See, because if you don't know the if you know the sector angle and you cannot put the area of a triangle, like if it is right angle triangle, you know you can put half into base into height. If it is equilateral triangle, you know root 3 by 4 into a square. So that we used it here, correct? But since we didn't had the side BC, they had not given the side of the equilateral triangle, we need to calculate. Why? How to calculate? Again by using this same concept, that is by drawing a perpendicular and proving that these two are similar, congruent, and then dividing, this is 60 degree, then by using the trigonometric ratios we got BD. So BD is nothing but BC is equal to 2 times BD. So because of that, twice of that side. Okay. So like this we got the answer. Next one simple problem we have here. Just observe the diagram and try to think how we can find out the area there. So that is a simple problem now again. Next one, I will read the question. In the figure, ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter with the center ABCD. 4 circles are drawn such that each circle touch externally 2 of the remaining 3 circles. Find the area of the shaded region. See here, they have asked you, this is a square with side 14 centimeter. Side is how much? 14 centimeter. The side is 14 centimeter. I hope we have done this type of sum the previous in this exercise or the previous exercise. Here, this is center ABCD of 4 circles, and this is a square drawn and it is 14 centimeter. Side of the square is 14 centimeter, that is. So I think by using that clue you can find out the radius of a circle. What is the radius of the circle here? Radius of a circle will be how much? See, this is 14, so the total is 14, so that definitely it will be 7 centimeter. This concept you should know. Okay, because they have not given the radius of a circle separately, but they have told that each, when you draw the circle, externally it will touch the other circles. Okay, see here, drawn such that each circle touch externally 2 of the remaining 3 circles. 2 of the remaining means, suppose, see, this is the circle with center A. This is externally it is touching the circle with the center B and also with the center D. 2 other circles. It is externally it is touching 2 other circles. Okay, out of 3. See, for example, this is the circle with center C. This is the circle with center C, and this is touching the other 2 circles externally. Okay, you all know the meaning of external touching means this. Externally it will touch. Internally means like this. Internally. Okay. So here you can see here, and it will touch 2 other circles. So it is touching the 2 other circle with center B and also with the D. Okay. So this is what the explanation of the question. Now, so how to find out the shaded region, area of the shaded region? See, this is the shaded region. Simple, it is very simple. Area of the shaded region is equal to, okay, can anybody try that? Area of the shaded region is equal to area of the square. See, just imagine area of the square, and see, roughly I have drawn area of the square minus area of these 4 sectors, correct? These are the sectors. 4 sectors. So if you do that, you can find out the area of the shaded region. So let me do or this are sector, 4 sector, or can anybody guess another? I told you, see again it is a quadrant, 4 quadrants, isn't it? That also you can do, 4 quadrants, that will be easy, 4 quadrants. Okay, anyway you can do 4 sectors also you can do, or it can be 4 quadrants also. Area of shaded region is equal to area of a square minus area of 4 sectors. Okay, separately we will find out. Here since ABCD is a square, so what is the sector angle? Sector angle theta. Since ABCD is a square, angle A is equal to 90 degree, angle B is 90 degree, you all know that. Okay. So angle A is equal to 90 degree, you all know this, correct? Since it is a square, that is the features of the square, correct? So sector angle theta will be 90 degree. Okay. Let us find out the area of the square. Area of the square ABCD 14 into 14, correct? Area of the square 14 into 14. So it is equal to 196 centimeter square. Next, area of 4 sectors, 4 into theta by 360 pi r square, 4 into 90 by 360 to 22 by 7 r. I told you no just now, r will be 7 radius, 7 into 7, that you can mention here. AB is equal to 14 centimeter, therefore radius is equal to 14 by radius is equal to 7 centimeter. You can write this. So you can mention this in the bracket, AB is equal to 14 centimeter, or before you start this only you can write here the radius of a circle will be 7 centimeter, because AB, side AB is 14 centimeter, therefore radius will be 7 centimeter. So half of the side AB, you can write half of the side AB, radius is equal to half of the side AB, you can mention that. Okay. Now this you simplify, and 4s are 36, 4 and 4 cancels. So here 7 and 7 gets cancelled. So what remains here? 7 2s are 14, 154 centimeter square. So we got this, and also we got 196 centimeter square. Therefore area of shaded region I hope you can see, area of the shaded region is equal to 196 minus 154. Okay, 196 minus 154. So 6 minus 4 is 2, and 9 minus 5 is 4. 42 centimeter square. This is the answer, 42 centimeter square. Okay. Isn't it interesting? Yes, at the beginning of this chapter I told you it's very interesting chapter. So please practice well and try to solve a different type of diagrams where you will get, and try to solve on your own. Okay, you apply what all you have studied in the previous classes, you just apply. Definitely it's very interesting chapter. So thank you. We shall meet in the next class. Thank you.